In this lesson, we're going to talk about plugins for WordPress. We're going to figure out what they are, what they do, and we're going to install our first plugin. I view plugins for WordPress sites sort of like putting apps on your phone. If you don't put any apps on your phone, it works and it does a lot of things and it does what most people need it to do. But when you start putting apps on your phone, it opens up a whole new world of functionality. It allows you to do things that you were never able to do before with your phone. And plugins are very much the same for a WordPress site. And plugins are just a bit of software basically that you can install into your site that will give your website the power to do something that WordPress alone cannot do. Later in this course, we're going to talk about a number of different plugins that will make your site more powerful. For now, let's talk about how to install a plugin. On the menu on the left side, you want to just click on Plugins. When you come here, you'll have probably two plugins installed, Akismet and Hello Dolly. You want to leave Akismet installed, although you can delete Hello Dolly if you would like, and you would do that just by clicking the delete button next to the name. To install a new plugin, you simply click the Add New button, and in this case we're going to search for a plugin, although you can download plugins from a third-party website and they'll come out as a zip file, and all you need to do is click Upload, choose the file, and then click Install Now, and you're good to go. We're going to check out the WordPress SEO plugin. And we want to install the WordPress SEO by Yoast. So we'll install that. If it says, are you sure you want to install the plugin? Click OK. And our plugin was successfully installed. Now all we need to do is activate it. And I'm actually going to take you back to the plugins area and show you that you can activate or deactivate any of the plugins that are available in your plugins list. So I'm going to go down to WordPress SEO. It says activate, so I know it's deactivated. I will activate that plugin. And now when we see WordPress SEO, there's more options here, and we see a deactivate button, so we know that this plugin is activated. Two last things about plugins. Number one is if you have 30 or 40 plugins installed on your WordPress site, it may begin to make your website slower. All of these things are going to be running in the background, and when a lot of things run together in the background, it can sometimes slow down websites. Number two is if you ever have anything funny start happening and you notice it's after you install a plugin, try deactivating the plugin you just installed and see if that reverses the issues that you're having with your website. There will be times when the particular theme that you've chosen does not really mesh well with a certain plugin. It's impossible to know when that might happen, so you just need to be aware of that, and you need to deactivate a plugin or two at times when you're working with WordPress. The good news is there's usually an alternative to the plugin that you were using.